plus students. How do we reach them in 40 minutes? Can we tell them something sense and sensible in 30-40 minutes such that they can learn? Okay, it's a huge problem. No one has a ready answer. No one has off-the-shelf answer. But we need to think together, individually. We need not feel shy of experimenting. And if at all something works, let us please share it with all of us. Lots of people never tire of saying the Prime Minister of China came to India some years ago. He went to Bangalore. He saw Cyber City in Hyderabad. He praised India. Bill Clinton was taken there. You know, India of the 10 cities, as we call it: Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, Bombay, Calcutta, Gurgaon, Noida, Chennai. There is another India. If you look at Google night map of India, and please do tonight, if you have access to internet here, for my sake, for the sake of your children, your students, please look at Google night map of India. I have done. I wish I had brought it here. Delhi is illuminated like New York, but rest of India between Delhi and Calcutta is one endless stretch of dark space. No electricity, nothing. So today we have two kinds of India. One India which is the office of the world, where Google recruits paying 60 lakh rupees per annum. Some of my students get those jobs. I guess some of your students also get those jobs. American Congress commissioned a study by a professor of sociology, anthropology in the University of Illinois, somebody called Mrs. Saxenian, and asked her to find out how it is that Indians do so well in the IC business, you know, in the internet, in the information and computer industry. And the lady gave a wonderful report, and she said they owe it to two things, or three. One is their flair with English, their flair with maths, and the networking, the culture of networking among them. How many people does it apply to in India? There is another study by the World Bank, by Blom and Riyaz Saiki. Please do Google it. Look at this study. It has universities like Anna University, where my friend Professor Elango teaches, in mind, and universities in Bihar, UP, MP, Orissa, Andhra, rural Karnataka, rural Maharashtra, a whole lot of Rajasthan, Haryana. Students, nearly 26% of engineering graduates, according to World Bank, are unemployable because they don't have English speaking skill. Which India are we talking about? The India of elite colleges, Manipal Institute of Technology, Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, or of the GLA University, Mathura? We have to find the answer. We don't have a long time. You know, on the one hand, we have people who are comfortable anywhere in any office in the world. On the other hand, there are those, as the Hindi film English to English portrayed, who cannot ask for a ticket in English. And they also have aspirations. As the citizen of this country and as the fee-paying student of this institute, they also have a right to get the same English as the lucky or the luckier ones